everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Brother Image Center ADS-1500W or ADS-1000W compact color desktop scanners, the J-ZMQER USB cable. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed as a data sync cord to ensure seamless communication between your scanner and your computer, be it a PC or a laptop. When it comes to scanning important documents, the integrity of your data transfer is paramount. A flimsy or unreliable cable can lead to frustrating connection drops, corrupted files, or slow transfer speeds, ultimately hindering your productivity. That's where a dedicated cable, like this one, from J-ZMQER truly shines. It promises a stable and efficient connection, which is exactly what you need when you're relying on your scanner for daily tasks. One of the most important aspects of this J-ZMQER cable is its precise compatibility. It's explicitly made for the Image Center ADS-1500W and ADS-1000W models, meaning users can be confident in a perfect fit and optimal performance right out of the box. There's no guesswork involved. You simply connect your scanner to your computer and you're ready to transfer your high-quality scans without a hitch. The cable's primary function is data synchronization, ensuring that every detail captured by your scanner is accurately and swiftly moved to your digital storage. The design of the cable is straightforward and practical. It comes in a classic black color, blending seamlessly with most office or home setups. Its compact nature means it won't add unnecessary clutter to your workspace, which is always a plus, especially for desktop scanners that often sit in busy environments. While the product description mentions safety features typically associated with power adapters, for a data cable, this translates to a robust construction that ensures reliable data flow and durability. A well-built USB cable minimizes interference and maintains a consistent connection, protecting your valuable data during transfer. This means less worry about short circuits or signal degradation that could compromise your scanned images or documents. For anyone who frequently uses their Brother ADS-1500W or ADS-1000W scanner, investing in a reliable data sync cord like the J-ZMQER USB cable is a smart move. It ensures that your scanning workflow remains smooth and efficient, providing peace of mind that your digital documents are transferred securely and without interruption. It's a small component, but one that plays a critical role in the overall performance and reliability of your scanning setup. This cable is an excellent choice for maintaining a dependable connection for your compact color desktop scanner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.